Hey traders, let's do a quick market update. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Hey traders, as you know that some of the biggest things that makes you a successful trader is really learning the art of trade management and really good money management techniques. I've just recorded the video walking through all the steps that's really going to help you. So click on the box above that says trade and money management and to get access to this video right now. Alright, hey traders, let's actually go here. Let's have a quick market update on all the markets. Pretty much a nothing day for the metals. The indices that continue to slowly rise even more. Again guys, this is causing an elastic band and it will snap back. As you can see, it's just the Dow Jones will continue to rise up and rise up. It may be even on its way to this trend line, I don't know. But when it does snap back guys, believe me, it's going to snap back really, really hard. So I definitely wouldn't be buying it up here. And some people are like, John, but you know, Carl Icahn said he's buying stocks now right through to the end of the year. Okay, but did you know he was also shorting stocks for the most? You know, it's like I'm gonna trade what I hear, not what I see. Good luck with that when there's long-term success rate, when you're long-term successful. Anyway, so moving forward, guys, we can see that we actually have where the market has continued to rise. The overall market itself, guys, has created an elastic band. And again, guys, go back to the charts. The S&P as well too, guys. You get to see the S&P has continued to rally up and rally up and rally up. And I promise you guys, trust me, trust me. How does someone say that on YouTube? The thing is, guys, is that we will get a decent pullback, okay? We will get a decent pullback. We don't know when, but when it does happen, the longer this goes, the harder the pullback is going to be. Same with the Nasdaq all-time new highs as well. And yeah, you can just see that really just continue moving up. Moving up through to here, guys, you can see that once again, even like the transportation average is just continuing to move up. We're creating an elastic band when the volume's still tapering down. Russell 3000, we actually had a pretty big volume spike there, but not much movement actually on the price action itself. And this one here, this is the big one here, guys. Is just absolutely just incredible, just gone absolutely just nuts, which is the Russell 2000. So again guys, especially Russell 2000, when the market has an elastic band and to me it's ready to snap. Let's go over and have a look at say SLV for a minute here. So you can see SLV right now is continuing to hold very close to these levels here. If I let me bring up silver, not silver. Americans, silver. So on silver, you can see, let's go to this weekly chart here, guys. On silver, you can see that this whole area of resistance support, it's getting very close to that. So we may get a little bit more downside, guys, but we're definitely getting very close to this area of support. Let's actually just see whether that holds or not. Going on to gold, we can actually see that gold, same thing too, guys. You can see gold, if I bring up my Fibonacci's from that low to high and I squeeze up, you can see that gold has just retraced 50% of this overall move and it's holding this overall level of support the last couple of times it's been there as well too. So very tricky times, guys. We definitely know volatility is going to come in and very tricky times. Do we actually hold here and rally up? I don't know, guys. I don't know. It's a very tricky one. Let's move on to a few other things such as oil. Did you guys see oil? Oil is actually really starting to run up bigly, guys. Looks like it's trying to hold here very nicely. So Robert Kiyosaki said that he thinks oil is going to continue going up, the price. It does look like it's basing out here. So do we actually get a nice rise out of this, or do we get a nice rise out of this, or do we just continue down? So it is holding strong. It is definitely holding strong here when it comes to oil. So very strong there, guys, on that. Let's go have a look at the UUP, the US dollar. US dollar also, guys, are very you can see this big slingshot move up. a big move up, and then so I'm expecting a pullback to happen soon. You definitely don't want to be buying up here, guys. You definitely don't want to be buying up here. That's the wrong thing to do. Because, guys, again, if you look how the market works, how does the market work? It rallies down. Or let's just go here. It rallies down and it rallies back up. It rallies down and rallies back up. And rallies down, rallies back up, rallies down, rallies back up. You can see it just does this, right? You can see that overall, this is just what it does. So you can see if you're right now on the market move up, if you bought into here as the market already took off, or you bought into here, or you maybe possibly even been buying it here, you know you're buying it very, very close to the wrong time because the move's already started. You want to try and get in. The best idea, guys, is to try to get in like here as it's starting to move, and here as it's starting to move. That's the best time to get into it. And the Australian dollar, guys, has been getting hammered. Absolutely hammered. So that's the Australian dollar. Broke the support line. It failed to break up. Had a false breakout, and now we just continue to move down from where it was, and now breaking back down. And you can see that it's rallied down a good 4 or so % now since that's happening. And looking at the overall markets there, as looking at this here as well, we possibly could have like a head and shoulder formation, couldn't we? On this overall long-term chart, somewhere there's probably possibly a bit of support and resistance through there, guys. If you're looking at the support and resistance. But it's definitely a tricky one, guys, because we did have very, very, very weak movement before the actual sell-off as well too. So there we go, guys. Quick update. Let's see what happens. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, face your fears today. I'm not going to BS you here. Trading is hard. Over my 10 years of trading, I've learned some amazing systems and strategies, and I've put it all in my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls course. And I'm giving you 100% free access. This whole course is 12 videos long and almost 10 hours of the best systems and strategies that I know. Click on the image below now to get 100% free access right now.